Welcome to Rebuild Your Life, a lifestyle development project to help you build a better life. This is our video on collagen supplements. Over the years we notice changes in our skin, like sag, spots and wrinkles. And the reason for this is that collagen production diminishes in our bodies. Collagen is an essential protein for healthy and beautiful skin, resulting in more firmness and elasticity. It is the most abundant protein found in the human body, and is found in skin, muscles, blood vessels, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen represents 70% of all the proteins in the skin, and is naturally produced by the cells, keeping your skin firm, and your hair and nails looking healthy. Collagen is found in some foods like meat, gelatin, pork skin, and bone broth. Consuming collagen may have a variety of health benefits, from relieving joint pain to improving skin health. As collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, it is a major component of connective tissues in the tendons, ligaments, skin and muscles. Collagen plays a vital role, which includes providing your skin with structure and strengthening your bones. Collagen can be obtained through food, but in recent years collagen supplements have become popular. Most of the supplements are hydrolyzed, which means the collagen has been broken down, making it easier to absorb. Several studies have shown that collagen supplements may slow down aging by reducing the amount of dryness and wrinkles in the skin. In a recent study, a group of women took 2.5 to 5 grams of collagen in supplement form. These women experienced an increase in skin elasticity and less skin dryness compared to those who did not take the supplements. Another study found women who consumed a drink with collagen supplements, mixed in daily for 12 weeks, experienced increased skin hydration and a significant reduction in wrinkle depth, compared with women who didn't. The collagen supplements stimulate your body to produce collagen on its own, thus having a wrinkle-reducing effect. Also, taking these supplements may promote the production of other proteins that assist in structuring your skin with elastin. Taking collagen supplements may help in slowing down the aging process of the skin. There are other benefits to collagen as well. Collagen helps support digestion and may heal the gut, as collagen is a component of the gut's connective tissues and lining. Collagen also supports muscle strength. Protein is important for building muscle, and collagen is protein, and thus helps in muscle strength. In one study, men with age-related muscle loss took collagen supplements, along with doing resistance training. They bettered their muscle strength and lost more fat in comparison to a placebo group. Collagen helps with sleep too. The amino acid, glycine, which is found in collagen, has promising sleeping perks. Collagen supports nail health and hair growth. In one small study, those who took 2 to 4 grams of collagen peptides every day for 24 weeks, found a 12% rise in their nail growth rate, and a 42% drop in frequency of broken nails. In another small study, collagen supplementation supported hair growth rate, volume and thickness. There aren't many side effects of collagen, and it is generally recognized as safe by the US Food and Drug Administration. For more information, or to find us on Facebook, click on the links in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to receive updates when new videos are posted. Have a healthy day.